Living in Deltona, Florida, means enjoying warm sunshine and vibrant weather, but it also means dealing with the challenges of high temperatures and high humidity. Whether it's the sweltering heat of summer or the occasional coolness of winter, your home's windows play a major role in keeping your home comfortable year-round. One of the most effective ways to maintain a pleasant indoor environment while lowering your energy bills is by installing energy-efficient windows designed to handle Deltona's hot and humid climate. With so many window options available, it can be overwhelming to know which ones are best suited to the local conditions. Here's a guide to help you choose the best energy-efficient windows for your Deltona home, keeping your home comfortable and your energy costs under control. Why energy-efficient windows matter in Deltona. The hot and humid climate of Deltona can cause significant temperature fluctuations in your home, especially during the summer months. Without proper insulation, your home's cool air can escape while hot, humid air can enter, forcing your air conditioning system to work overtime. This results in higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to address these issues by improving your home's insulation, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling. These windows feature special technologies that keep the hot air out and the cool air in, improving the overall comfort of your home and reducing energy costs. Key features of energy-efficient windows. When choosing energy-efficient windows for your Deltona home, you should look for the following features to maximize both comfort and energy savings. Double or triple pane glass. Energy-efficient windows often come with 2 or 3 layers of glass, with argon or krypton gas sealed between them. These gases are denser than air and act as an extra insulating layer. This design helps to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Low-E glass coating. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are applied to the glass of energy-efficient windows to reflect heat. This coating helps to keep the sun's heat out during the summer and traps heat inside during the winter, improving your home's temperature regulation and reducing the load on your HVAC system. Warm edge spacers. In some energy-efficient windows, the spacers that separate the panes of glass are designed to be more thermally efficient. Warm edge spacers help reduce the transfer of heat along the edges of the window, preventing cold spots and improving overall window performance. Proper seals and weather stripping. Even the best window materials can perform poorly if they aren't sealed correctly. Look for windows with high-quality weather stripping and airtight seals to prevent drafts and air leaks, ensuring that your energy-efficient windows perform as intended. Best window materials for Deltona's climate. The material of your window frame is just as important as the glass. The frame determines how well the window can withstand the high humidity and temperature fluctuations typical in Deltona. Here are some of the best window frame materials for the local climate. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for energy efficiency and low maintenance. They are resistant to moisture, warping, and rotting, making them ideal for humid climates like Deltona's. Additionally, vinyl is a great insulator, helping to reduce heat transfer and improve the overall energy efficiency of your home. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass is another excellent option for energy-efficient windows. These windows are durable, resistant to moisture, and provide superior insulation compared to other materials. Fiberglass frames are also resistant to warping, cracking, or shrinking, which makes them a long-lasting choice in humid conditions. Wood windows. Wooden windows provide excellent insulation and are often chosen for their aesthetic appeal. However, they require more maintenance in a humid climate, as they can be susceptible to rot and decay if not properly treated. If you opt for wood windows, make sure they are well sealed and properly maintained to avoid moisture-related issues. Aluminum windows. While aluminum windows are durable and strong, they are not as energy efficient as vinyl or fiberglass. Aluminum conducts heat, which can allow hot air into your home and cool air to escape. However, newer thermal break aluminum windows have improved energy efficiency, so if you prefer aluminum, ensure it has insulated frames and low-E glass. Energy-efficient window styles for Deltona homes. The type of window you choose can also affect energy efficiency. Here are some of the most common window styles that provide energy savings in Deltona's climate. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward, providing excellent ventilation while offering a tight seal when closed. This makes them a good choice for energy-efficient homes, as they help prevent air leaks. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows have two sashes that slide up and down. This style is great for controlling ventilation and can help prevent drafts when sealed properly. Double-hung windows are easy to clean and are available in energy-efficient models. Sliding windows. Sliding windows open horizontally, making them a great choice for wider openings. They are energy efficient when properly sealed and are easy to operate, making them ideal for both small and large rooms. Professional installation is key. While selecting the right windows is essential, professional installation is just as important. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform as expected if they are poorly installed. Make sure to hire a professional window installer with experience in Deltona's climate to ensure a proper fit, tight seals, and maximum energy efficiency. Conclusion. Invest in energy-efficient windows for your Deltona home. Choosing the best energy-efficient windows for your Deltona home is a smart investment that can provide long-term benefits. From improving comfort and reducing energy bills to enhancing the appearance of your home, energy-efficient windows are a wise choice for homeowners in this warm and humid climate. Whether you opt for vinyl, fiberglass, or wooden windows, make sure to select high-quality windows with the right insulation features to meet your needs. With proper installation, these windows will help you maintain a comfortable home and reduce your environmental impact for years to come.